juice. Look, it's a little lemonade. I've been on the soda a little bad lately. The soda's out. Cookies this time. Got the Phillies all. You know, you never change it up from that Subway. Philly. You know what I'm saying? If we got plain bread, we need the Italian herb this time. I'm saying nice and little. I've been doing. Hope y'all good and all that. It's been raining in the borough all week. Some type of storm or something. I haven't. I'm doing some what? I've been chilling. I ain't eating all day. I had like 2 of these probably. I'm at the gas station. I'm at the Subway. Blessed me with the 3 cookies. You know, something like a 2 cookie combo in the drink. I said, look, no, give me 3 cookies. He gave me 3 of them. He got the white chocolate chip, and a little raisin joint. Oh, that's about to go crazy. Hold on. I'm telling Bo in the stove, bro, I need extra cheese. Give me 4 more slices of cheese on there. I want a cheese pull. He ain't do it, man. He told me he did already. It come with it. I put extra. I mean, just regular cheese amount. Damn. Oh, see, I need to invest in that little Subway app. Doing a little $6.99 foot long. Sandwich. With drink, I think. With drink. I think I might want to say this yesterday. I mean, not yesterday, later tonight. But it'll be alright. If anything, don't give me that sandwich. And why the Subway 24 hours? Best thing they can ever do. I ain't even make the thumbnail, yo. Why you ain't say nothing? And usually I get that Italian herb bread, but now I got that white bread. I ain't gonna lie. That's cool. That's cool. And if I ain't know, I'm in college, so it's a lot. School about to start back like 2 weeks from now, next week, something like that. So, damn, 2 weeks from now. We gonna go we gonna go raisin. I remember that video with Fat Boy SSU when he was going, no, not Fat Boy, Boom Gang. He was taking when he took the whole thing of cookies, or Fat Boy SSU when he took the cookies too. You got me hit now. I'm no hit. I ain't eating all the cookies either, y'all. There's one cookie. With that being said, I'm out.